equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. This task requires some basic tools and a bit of patience, but with our guidance, you'll be able to do it yourself. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Soft cloth. 4. Isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. 5. Replacement control panel. Step 1. Preparation ***. Before you begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Lay out your tools on a clean surface. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 2. Removing the old control panel ***. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the clips. Now, locate the control panel. It is usually secured with a few screws. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Step 3. Disconnecting the control panel ***. With the screws removed, you can now disconnect the control panel from the main unit. There will be a ribbon cable connecting the panel to the motherboard. Gently pull this cable out, ensuring you do not damage it. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. Step 4. Cleaning the interior ***. Before installing the new control panel, take a moment to clean the interior of your Thermomix. Use a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to wipe down any dust or residue. This will help ensure that your new panel fits snugly and operates efficiently. Step 5. Installing the new control panel ***. Now it's time to install the new control panel. Connect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. Once connected, secure the new panel with the screws you removed earlier. Step 6. Reassembling the Thermomix ***. Replace the back cover of your Thermomix and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightly fitted. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Step 7. Testing the new panel ***. Plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on. Test the new control panel to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. No calls, no travel. We are here to help you with any repairs you may need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.